the town Hata. Today we are going to take an interview of a man, a student right now who is spreading the knowledge of English in society. He wanted to make so much changes in our society. He has started a revolution in our society. He wanted to say and he have a vision to spread their English language in the whole society. All the rural area students, they are unable to speak English. They have a fear inside their conscience, inside their heart. That's why so he cannot speak English. So the man he provide the English education, he provide the English knowledge to all the students. They are living right now in the 21st century, this era. So today we are going to make a conversation. So first, thank you so much to join us on here, the voice of Kushinagar. So I wanted to say, please give your introduction, a little bit introduction to our viewers.
My name is Rom Kuswaha and I live in Hata, Kushinagar.
Yes.
And I used to teach English to all the students who students who are poor. And always try to help those students they can't speak English. And I always build up their confidence.
Yes. So Mr. Subham, so right now you are also a student of just you qualify your 12th standard, and right now you are providing the coaching to the all poor student, all the students they are living right now in the town Hata. So what kind of visions do you have for themselves?
First of all, I want to say to all the students, when we speak English, those students they can't speak English fluently.
They have a same
they have a lot of fear, and they could not speak in front of anyone. And I'm always trying to help those students who want to speak English.
They built a strong confidence, their conscience, their heart that they can speak in fluent English. Just like Hindi, they speaking, Bhojpuri speaking. Right now, we are living in the rural area. All language, only two languages, Bhojpuri and Hindi. We are living right now in the Kushinagar district. So third language is English. So you built a confidence in all students. They speak in fluent English. So one thing I wanted to say, any locals, just like MLA, MP, any responsible persons, any officers who support you for this your kind of work?
No.
Why?
I don't know why, but
you are doing a very good work. Okay, education is the most powerful weapon in the world. Okay, and you are.
I think that they don't know I am teaching.
That's a great thing. Without knowing the things you are providing, you are making your society good.
I'm spreading knowledge. They don't know.
So right now, what kind of things you have for the rural area student? Because right now you are teaching, you are running your classes here in the town Hata. And so many students they comes from the rural area, local area. Yes. So what kind of things you wanted to say for them?
First of all, those students they are weak in English. First of all, they read newspaper because when they read newspaper, their English may be good and fluent, and they can find error easily because and they can speak any words, any sentence fluently and correct because a lot of students they cannot speak any words, any sentence fluently. They pronunciation wrong.
So some students say if they speak English, they forget some meanings. Okay, and they think I cannot speak easily English. And most of the you can know Western country, so many countries just like China, USA, America, Japan, all people they come our country for the visit purpose. Just like Kushinagar, so many visitors, foreigners comes and they speak in the English language. So how can our student, our local student, your student can make a conversation with the foreigners?
First of all, without knowing a lot of what they cannot speak.
Vocabulary is most important.
Vocabulary is most important.
Yes.
I am providing to all the students. For example, class 11 students, I am teaching antonyms. It's helped much. When we have a lot of vocab, then we are able to speak English. And if we have no any vocab, we can't speak English.
Dictionary is most important, I think.
Because and just now you named China, Japan, others country. Their grammars, their English language is not so good.
Yeah.
I know because I have also talked. I talked a lot of foreigners like France, Berlin, China. They are good. They are good my friends,
Yeah.
but they are not good in English.
Yes,
They are
yes,
not.
yes.
They can speak fluently. They are a lot of error in grammar. So first of all, we should learn a lot of vocab.
Yeah.
Vocab. Without learning vocab, we can't speak English.
Yes, yes. So you are saying you also have so many friends from the out of country, Western countries. So many friends have. So one things our teachers, our society has imposed on the mind of our student that if you don't know too much good grammar, just like you provide here tense, present tense, past tense, present tense, noun, pronoun, word, adverb, so many things. So how can we make these things out from the mind of our student that we will be speak English just like according to grammar?
I have told already. A lot of students they considered English as a language.
Yeah.
We should consider English as a they subject. We should consider English as a language. When we will consider English as a language, on that time we can able to speak English.
Yes.
A lot of nowadays a lot of students they have a fear.
Yes.
Hence they cannot speak in front of anyone.
Yes, yes.
We should remove our fears. We should build up our confidence.
Yes, yes.
And
Yeah.
when we will build up our confidence, that's time we are able to speak English in front of anyone.
Yes, yes, yes. So after remove their fears, you can build the confidence and then you can speak English.
Yeah, yeah.
So three major most important topic that you can say to our viewers. That's why the student they wanted to learn English, they wanted to speak English in front of the media, in front of any person. So three topic that you can suggest it for our viewers.
First, we should read English newspaper,
Yeah.
English book because it's help so much.
Yes.
And second, when if you don't know how to pronunciation these words,
Yeah.
you should go and just Google it.
Yeah.
When you will go at it, it will tell how to pronunciation.
Yes, yes, yes.
And second, we should write one page English daily.
Yeah.
Because it's help you so much. How to because a lot of them they don't know what the spelling of this sentence and this word. Good.
Oh, thank you so much. You provide the idea. That's why three idea. That's why any new student they wanted to speak English, they wanted to talk to in the English, so they could follow the rules regulation and they can speak English. So thank you so much to join us. Thank you. You are doing a good work and you have born a revolution in the district Kushinagar and you are making a social awareness in our society. That's all student, all the people they wanted to speak English. They remove their fear inside their conscience, their heart, and make a confidence for English speaking thing. So thank you so much, Subham. Thank you.